Yeah, me people, you don't know what talk up boss back in that place again with part 2 of prostitution in Jamaica during the pandemic, you see me? So, we have a next interview figure and this time a two-person at once. So you know so this one go really epic. I'm wanting to stay tuned and see what go on, you see me? Big up to all who subscribe and there again, all who not subscribe, please subscribe and hit the bell. You know the thing said. Alright people, I don't know what about in that place and man talk up boss with two lovely young ladies, you see me? So you know the regular. You're not gonna know what they need, you're not gonna know nothing. So we ask them one and two questions about the street. So being a prostitute, was it your choice?
No. Circumstances that we have to do this.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For you?
Same thing.
Circumstance.
Yes.
So definitely you see they never choose the road but you know life journey, you see me? Alright, so on to the next question. Even though it's a business, do you enjoy?
No, this work is not a work to enjoy, but you have the kids them, you have to out there to feed them. Cause we can't sit down kind of betting a day. Sometimes things up and sometimes it's down. So, but due to the corona, we're very, very slow. We can't hardly eat a food.
Okay.
Yeah, slow. Really, really bad.
So do you enjoy?
No. You can't enjoy something most of the time men abuse you. It's not nice.
So definitely you can see so the ladies them not really into it 100%, but you know how the whole life said, you see me? Alright. So on a good day, how much money you can make per night?
Well, it depends, because guess what, on and off. Sometimes I make one thing and feel nice. Sometimes I just have one work like two. No, sometimes nothing at all. Sometimes nothing. You have to beg all the way through 100 to buy a juice.
Okay, and for you?
Same thing, we have to beg. Anybody come. But we had something now. We take the money, put it in our pocket. You don't know we have kids, we can't go spend it out.
Yeah. So it's sticky and
Sticky, well, sticky.
well sticky. You see that? Jaja.
So I have to look for worry.
Alright. Question now. It's gonna get a little bit spicier. Alright. What's your scariest experience on the job?
The scariest, eh?
Oh, you can-
No, it's what you say though. But the scariest experience I ever have in this job is like most of the man them angry like you're not human being, and most of them are big something. And something big for true, me go say. Nah lie. Yeah, scary for true. But I really like the job here because if you see a 6, 7 man per night time, that's scary. You don't want this. Sometimes I know where you want, because first of all, I never plan for them job here, but it was in it for a little while
Yeah.
till life said to come out of it.
So talking about that, what's the biggest something you ever take?
Eight.
Alright. What's your scariest moment on the job?
When you come in the room for do it and the man box you and hold on your neck and grab on your ear and you want to and a choke you, that is scariest moment.
And the biggest thing you ever get?
8.5.
Alright, people, you say you're not normal out there now. You're normal. You say jungle out there. Alright. You say the pandemic make everything worse.
Yes.
Alright, so what safety measure do you take on the job?
Condom mostly. Condom. You have to use condom all the time. That is mostly protective. Yeah, you have to use a condom.
So we double the condom.
Double the con.
Yeah.
And double condom is not safe neither.
Alright, so do you have a man?
Sure,
Okay, does your man know what?
sure. That's why I take somebody who understand my job.
Okay, so we get somebody who understand.
Yeah. If you don't understand, you go on.
Okay,
We have
Same
a
thing.
man and he know
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
alright, people. So at least them honest with them partner and them partner know say yo at the work is it. Alright, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm not freaky.
I'm not freaking.
Alright.
Alright, so what's the weirdest place you ever have sex?
The weirdest place in the ocean. Yeah, that got beach. We got beach for sex. Weirdest
Beach. Beach. Yeah.
beach. You can bite in the water. Yeah, night beach. Night beach.
This is the weirdest.
Yeah.
Alright. So on an average night, how much money can take?
This depends. 4 or 5.
4 or 5.
Yeah.
Same. Me can't do something, my friend.
Watch me now.
So what kind of client do you get? Like professions. What kind of client? Lawyer, doctor.
Anybody, would accept mad people.
You don't accept money.
Mad man.
But you get like
Get white man, boss man, good one, right. Yeah.
alright. So which one of the client them you probably prefer more?
Well, it depends. Because, as we tell you, sometimes we get good money from the man and get good money from that man. So it's not like it's a preference. We not come out here to pick and choose. We say white, black, this or that. Only thing we say, we don't sex mad people.
Okay.
Right.
Alright. So no man ever complain after then get the sex.
Well, and everybody you go get tell you say, good. You understand? Because some of them want to stay for you long, 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 long. And then you have to tell them say business here. And some of them want you do certain thing you don't uphold with it, so you know have an argument. Right. Like some want sex without condom, you tell them no that yeah, you have to try to protect yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no man ever tell us the sex no good.
Yeah, you have man who tell you that, yes. Worse when you complain, tell them to come off and they want to stay a longer, longer, or they want to stay. And they want Benny up in a S.
Yeah. So what's the smallest something you ever get?
5.
5.
Me take a 3 inch. Little something a condom a drop off. I choose. I choose. A little penis, little say condom was drop off.
Alright. So like, alright, this is about interview thing right now. You see? So do you have any advice for other sex worker out there? Any guideline to give them?
Young and I system.
Guideline we can tell them for this just use a condom, be safe and as we pray because we don't know what gonna happen further down. So who don't catch the corona, give God thanks and who catch it and not dead we have to still give God thanks.
So you have to say if anybody are coming out of business.
Well, I'll never tell them, say, no. Make sure so them know who they are going to have sex with and always try to protect themselves and always be safe. And not try go nowhere with no man because these men nowadays, we see them alone and sometimes they have all them, take them much friends in the house to have sex with you.
Okay.
It's not like so.
Alright, my people. Here we go along, you see me? I eat blessings. Out.